Hey ladies, how you doing? So yes, I am finally here with my Sassina hair. This is the Silky Straight hair from them. This is their Remy hair. I'll leave all the information down below. Guys, I have in 3 bundles. I have two 18s, one 16, and I had about this much left over. So little that I just put it in the trash because you couldn't do anything with it. I have on a 16-inch closure or 14-inch. I'll leave all the information down below. But however, guys, look at this. I love it. I had to cut a little bit, just a tad bit on the bottom to get away the little flyaways, little uneven pieces. I do have kind of a blunt cut going in a V in the back, but I have some more. I want to put some layers because this hair is really, really thick. These strands are thick due to the fact that it is, in my opinion, I may be wrong, when you're dealing with Remy hair, it can be a little bit thicker versus unprocessed hair, which is virgin hair. It's a little bit thicker, so it's a lot of hair, guys. It's a lot of hair, and it looks good. It's flat. It feels good. You know, my hair, I'm looking in the viewfinder just so I can make sure, you know, everything is where it needs to be. But however, I want to put some layers in it. This hair has to have layers. I want to wear a nice long sleek look, but I can still have that sleek look with layers in it. I did not cut my ears off. My ears. I did not cut the extra piece around the ears off as of yet because I want to make sure the way that I have it glued down. I have a little glue up there, but you know, I'll get that off. But I didn't cut around this ear because for some reason this ear is perfect and this ear isn't. So that's like the wig is kind of lopsided. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and just cut this side and then just wear it like that. But I'm kind of like, when it comes to this wig stuff, a little OCD. So I want it to be right. So I'm going to take it off, put it back on, and make sure that I have a little bit on both sides. But we'll see how it works out. Let's see. The sewing process was pretty good. You know, I feel when you have a frontal, it pretty much take up most of the cap. So you don't have anything to worry about. You just have to put your bundles in. So I think I can sew lace frontals and bundles quicker than I can with a closure. I felt like I did this wig in an hour and a half. I felt like I was just going to town and I did it. Like when I could do a closure wig in an hour and a half, 2 hours, just depending on who I'm chatting with by myself watching TV. But however, this puppy here was done really, really quick. I'm happy. I like it. Let's see what else. I washed it. I don't like to wash my bundle. I like to wash my actual whole unit. I washed the cap. I washed everything. So I didn't have any dye, any type of funny smell, any funny coatings coming off. Everything went good. But the only thing that was kind of different, when I washed the hair, you know, when I got the hair, I showed you guys, it was very, very bone straight. But when I washed it, I let it air dry. I combed it out, let it air dry. When I combed it out, the bottom did like a little ringlet. And then once I actually let it air dry, it was like wavy. I said, wait a minute, this hair's supposed to be bone straight, you know, like straight. Why? But I have to remember it's processed hair, so it was processed to be straight. So however, I can wear this hair in a wavy state and I can wear it in a straight state, which I'm not fussing about because we all love hair that's pretty much versatile, that we can wear more than one way. I am thinking about cutting this hair. I am. I mean, I like it long, I like it, but in my heart, you guys know I am a 16-inch girl, and I'm kind of getting towards a 14-inch. I think I want to cut it to right here. So that's about this much gone. Now, that's not that much. That's just, and this is pretty much a little bit thinner than what's going on up here. So I'm thinking about it, guys. I'm thinking about it, and I like the way this unit fits. It fits really, really good. I did a really good job. I'm giving myself, I'm tooting my horn. It feels really good on my head. I just have to get my ears situated. So once I get my ears situated, then all of this will lay down even flatter because this is amazing. Look at this, guys. It's just like, oh, you don't get this with a closure. I mean, you can, but I can't. But with a frontal, I got it. What else? I didn't have much shedding because I haven't cut anything. I had a little shedding here and there, nothing to run home about. But you know, you usually get a little bit more shedding once you cut. I only cut a snippet off the end, which I said it was, I double, I did the fold over method, I should say. I didn't cut any of the wefts. So no shedding. I haven't cut my ear tabs yet around my ear. So everything is just pretty much where it needs to be. No shedding as of yet, but there will be because our own hair shed. So you know that the actual, you know, your unit is going to shed. And what else? That's pretty much it. This was some effortless hair. It's really, really nice. I didn't think that I was going to really, really enjoy the fact that it was a Remy texture, but you know, your only thing with Remy, you just can't wash it how you would wash virgin hair. You know, Remy hair, you have to pretty much really, really be careful. You can't put no hot water on it, not even warm water, because it will do its own thing and you don't want that to happen. So with this new, since I washed it already, I probably won't wash it again for a really, really long time. I'll be cautious on how I wear it. In addition, if I do wash, I'll just wash the actual closure, you know, just to get the actual glue out the lace when I reapply. So that's the only thing that I have to say about this hair. This hair is really, really nice. I really, really enjoy it. If you want to check it out, I'll leave all the links down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you like about this unit on me. It's really, really dark for it to be a natural. But again, I have to remember, it's Remy. But it's really, really dark. I'm thinking about, like I said, cutting it to right about here. Still having the, I don't want to put no layers in the hair. That's if you see where I'm trying to go. I want to keep everything straight. So I may go ahead and just cut it to here, right? And I do want to put some color in, so that'll come down the line. It won't be no time soon, but I'll put some color in. You probably see it on my Instagram. And I want to do like a ombre, what do you call it, biolage type situation going on. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, I want to see how this hair's going to look. I really like how this fits. I like how the forehead situation is going, and I do like the lace. I did not dye, I did not, what do they call that when you process the lace? Bleach the knots. I didn't do any of that. I didn't even put any foundation on the knots, you know, on the closure. I just have it as is, and it looks really, really good. I didn't even pluck the part anymore. I'm going to leave it just as is because of how I want to wear this hair. It needs to be just close, just like that. So I'm going to stop rambling. I want to say just, guys, I'm really enjoying it. Just keep a lookout on the Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave all that information right here so you can actually check it out and, yeah, see what comes next. I really like it. It's really, really thick. It's really, really full, but yet it's light. So that's a good thing. It's a really, really good thing. So I'm acting silly now. But I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you can check out my cool videos. Bye.